Morning everybody, and once again welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 20 and we are going to be close the fourth week of our class today. So now what we are going to be discuss is something interesting. Even though we as a consultant don't do this thing, but we should know about this thing. So when we get a ServiceNow instance or procure ServiceNow instance, a client has a three instances mainly. Dev, prod. Dev is used for the development perspective. Test is used for the testing. And prod is the final for the user's perspective to be use it. Now, if you develop something in the dev instance, how you can move the changes in the test. So if you remember, I said that who is working in my PDI, he or she need to be create the update set. Right? Update set is something which capture the business logics and the configurations, not the data. So today we will see that who has done homework or not. So what we're going to do, I have two instances. This is my instance and this is Praveen instance. So I will bring my changes to Praveen instance changes. And same thing you can do. You have access of my PDI and you have your own PDI as well. So now you can bring your changes from my PDI to your PDI as well. OK, so to do this one, we will go here and search for the local update set. And we will open mine one because mine is a parent one. Few good things we have to be remember here that once an update set has been closed, it should not reopen. I'm not saying it cannot be reopened. It should not reopen. In case you want to do any other changes, better to create a new update set and capture the changes there. So it is like you are moving from one house to another house, and once a box has been closed, should not be reopen it. Should not be opened again. If you want to put something more, take a new box and put it. So I can see that these many update sets under my update set. Let's see how much work Santosh has done, how much Preeti has done, how Uni has done. This is nothing for Nanda. Now I'll see that how many changes you have done in my PDI. Only 30 changes. See. Catalog items, flow. This thing. Okay. Preeti. 295. Very nice. Good. It means she's doing the work. Access control, form layout. Nice. Uni. I know Uni. He already done the wrong things. Savita. 126. Up to catalog. See. Nothing on SLA, I guess. Neha. 73. This is what I was saying. That I have a way to find out that how many homework or how much homework you're doing. Then Tulsi 185, similar. No much progress. Flow and all the things will be there. Nice, Macarena, nice. See, 1100 changes. It means she's doing the work daily, almost daily basis. Even though she did the last thing on the 20th of March, 8 days before. It means for the last 8 days she did nothing.
After that, I'm doing in my PDI.
Okay, still safe. So now we'll move all your changes and you can see my one 276, because definitely I just giving a demo, nothing much on my PDI. So now we are going to be take these changes from my PDI to this PDI. So we are going to be close it. Sorry, complete it. Once I complete the parent one, number one, it will complete this number two. Number two, it will move this and make it as a default. I said yes. And now save. Update set batch contains the following app install. Continue changing the state complete. I said yes. Means I installed something more. So is it also get captured? I said yes. So now this has been complete. I'm in the default now. And you can see your changes also get completed here now. Your updates will also get completed. There you go. Okay. Now when I say, because there's a concept come cloning and upgrade. If you want to take a backup of your update set, so you can click here. Export update set batch to XML. And download all these changes in the XML format. We can do XML movement as well, but we don't recommend XML movement in this case. We always go for the update set movement. Now the question comes how this PDI and this PDI are connected with each other. So I'll go in this PDI now and I'll put retrieve retrieved update sets. Means I have to build a connection between my PDI and this PDI. When I say build the connection, so I want to transfer the songs from mobile phone to the laptop. It means I have to make a connection between these two. Either Bluetooth, either via data cable. So I will make a connection here. Update sources. From where I want to be get the changes. Click on new. And now I'll put LNG dev 250816. What type of environment is that? It is a development environment जहां से मेरे changes आ रहे हैं. Which URL? Copy this URL up to this and paste here. So it means in your PDI when you do exercise, you have to do the same things. And here in the username, I am giving my username password. You have to give your username password. And test connection. See, connection is okay, but the parent is on the Yokohama patch 1, where this instance is on the Zenendo patch 6. It means when I bring the changes, there are chances that there will be some mismatch in the configuration because both instances are not in the same uh, patches. Even though यहाँ तो family release family भी अलग है. But again, it's a PDI, so we can still okay with this. Now, click on the submit. It's a connection is okay. I said yes, that's fine, no problem. Now open it again. It says retrieve completed update set. What this mean? This mean when I click on this, it will take this URL, take this username password, it will go here and it will search local update set and which update sets are in the complete state. Those all will be moved from my PDI to other PDI. So if you don't want that your changes need to be moved to another PDI, so don't close your update set. Okay. So we are going to be make a change now. Click on the retrieved completed update set. Means I'm sending the boxes from one house to the another house in the transport. This is what the transport is doing. So you can see all the changes, everybody's changes are coming in the Praveen's PDI. Now Preeti's changes are coming. This work is done either by the developers or either by the platform team or deployment team if they have a dedicated deployment team. So now you can see everything is coming here. It takes few minutes. Let me show you something. हाँ ये देखो एरर भी आ रही है आने दो ना दैट्स फाइन नो प्रॉब्लम जो एरर है आने दो सी error आना if it is an error that's means either configuration issue is there either like configuration means these patches are not same instances not the same on same side or mainly that is the prime reason but we'll see now. So it has done. Let's put as a close and now scroll down. So this update set we got it. Yes 100%. देखो इसमें 9 आए हैं जबकि हमारे कितने थे how many we have in the LNG we have a total 8. One extra came something this created by Santosh. Fine, that's fine, no problem. ठीक है. Now it says a preview. The transport guy put everything in the truck and transported it to the destination. Before you unpack the boxes, transport person say, hey, please count the boxes and see everything you got it or not. So now we have to be preview this particular update set. Preview means we have to find out is any error, any issue there or not. So what we'll do, we'll open our parent one. It says total 332 records we are getting inserted. 22 will be update, means some files which we are changing it from dev to from my to Praveen PDI. Few files we deleted it. Fine. And 4 files where the collision is there, means I also updated in my PDI and Praveen also updated in his PDI. Same file. So now it is a collision. So you can see there are 13 problems. It's still better, I can say, because in my previous batches I have more than 60-70 problems because people work. Now what it says, we have to fix these 13 problems. Okay. The thing is that we got the boxes, we put the boxes in the room and we counted it. We said, boss, out of 20 boxes, 5 boxes is the issue. Now what is the issue? The issue can be the box which you put in my room. This does not belong to me. Might be have bring some others box. Might be the condition I give the box in the source, it is not same as a destination. So let's think technically. So if you see here, update says I have 4 points. Number 1, find missing record. What the error is, could not find a record in sys portal page for the column sys portal page reference in update. Means on the portal page we have done some changes where this particular instance did not find any record for this one. So ये कह रहा है, let's find the missing record. कि इसमें missing क्या है? Number 1 part. Find the missing update. Record is there, but what has been updated? I have no idea. Except the remote update. जो आ रहा है, accept कर लो उसको. And skip the remote update. Let's forget, discuss ही नहीं करते इसको. These 4 sections we will use again when we go for the upgrade and cloning का concept. Also, as we are doing just a practice, so we can take any action. But if you are doing the things practically in your actual environment, in the client instances, you cannot do the things like this. You have to be check that why the record is missing. The prime reason of record missing is difference between the versions. Second, difference between the plugin installed. Might be I installed multiple plugins and those plugins are not installed in Praveen plugin. So errors are obvious. So now what we'll do now, just for our practice, our understanding purpose, we will select this and we will take a common action. And we will say skip remote update. It says 14 skip, 17 remaining. Still there's a problem. Do the same thing, skip remote update. Now there's a no problem at all. So before that we have to save it. Now there's a no problem. We'll run the preview again. to make sure this there is no problem at all. Still previewing it. And this time it will show no problem or no error because we fix it. Now you got the boxes. You had a discussion with the transport guy. You and he or she is agree that what need to be done here might be compensation, might be new boxes, might be new material, something like that. You have an agreement now. And now that person is going out, transport one is going out, and we have to be open the boxes and start putting in our new house. And that concept is called commit. That concept is called, oh, what showing again 30. किया तो था यार हमने fix, might be. I always has this issue, not sure why it's happening to me. Instead of that, we should go for the commitment directly. Sorry. And save. And now we'll commit it. Commit means I'm starting unpacking of the boxes at my place. What it's saying, if you commit this update set, the system will automatically delete all the data stored in the table and column that are defined in the customer update. हम में से किसी ने शायद कुछ ऐसा बनाया है यू एम्प्लॉय रिक्रूटमेंट करके and it is giving us a warning because there is a 4 deleted file as well, 4 deleted records. ये देखो 18 deleted. We build something and we delete it as well. So system is giving error that if you commit it here, so like it is something like that. You already have a single bed in your new house and you also have a single bed in for with you. Now you have to make sure that your bed should be in the use and old bed should not be in the use. So it is giving an error that boss, what you're going to do. So I'll say proceed with commit. And now the actual committing is started, means the changes are actually going in the database now. This is what the purpose of this commit here. It takes some time in this particular case. So now what we are looking for, what output we're looking for, if you go here and search LNG. So all these changes, it is not snow. Never use snow in the term of service now. It's SN or the service now, not the snow. So all these changes will be coming in this PDI now. Because we're committing it. See, everybody's changes. All 7 or 8 people changes are moving here. If we are, I guess, 13 or 14 people, but still only half of the people is using my PDI, no problem. So commitment is going on now. We have to wait for a minute, I guess, or now we'll take another example. In this case, if something is not working, can I back out my changes as well? Can I back out my changes? Practically, yes, you can back out your changes. But if you ask me from my experience perspective, I will say no. Backing out something from the update set is always a risky, because see, it is a machine. You are bringing, or let's say you're making a rice. Okay. While making a rice, you put salt, chili, and some kind of a masala as well on the top. And you mix that masala. Can you take out that masala from the rice? Logically, yes. Sorry, logically, yes, we can make it. We can put some more water and then take it out or something like this. We can think on that particular part. But logically, no. Logically, no. The reason being because we don't know that where this masala has been stuck now, has been mixed now. The same thing happened here. When we commit and when we back out definitely a system will tell you that, okay, you can back out. But as this is a machine, this is all work on the files code only. Which code get inserted in which table, where it is been interacting, how it's been working. Tough to be say that everything has been backed out properly. Or sorry, everything has been worked after backed out properly. It's tough to be say. So generally, we did not recommend much on the backout. So now it has been done. See, now just refresh this page. And you can see here. Oops. So changes are here now. You want to see here? Go to tables. Table here. Give me a minute. Let me put the charger on. So now you can see this, that what the changes you have done in your PDI, sorry, in my PDI for the last 20 days or 15 days, those changes has been come here in the instance. But these are the configuration changes. Data nahi hai. Like you create the user, data, user group, company, department, you create those as well. But that is not bring it here. That is the second step we'll do. So now let's say everything is working. Update set has been committed. And you start testing it. During the testing, you found that this application is not working. Let's say Savita's application is not working. So either you can back out. You can take the changes back. Or you can fix it. So if you want to change it to the backed out, let's say Savita's changes. Sorry, not here. Retrieved update sets here. देखो हमने इसको कमिट नहीं किया. It is still in the previous state. We just committed a verse one. Let's say this thing. Not here, wait. here. Go to the update sets and open this update set. And now I want to just back out only Macrina's changes, not everybody's changes. Click on the back out. See, this is what the system is giving, and it is in the red color. The backout process can undo a large amount of work, cannot be undone. ऐसा नहीं है control Z, control Y. No, it's not the case. The backout process will remove the parent references. Number one, validate the backout target of each update. Number two, check the potential problem. Number three, if no problem, then backed out. Let's see. So it's checking that if the changes, the configuration which is coming from Macrina's update set, if I remove that, if I delete that from this one, what will be the problem? It says only one problem I found out. Let's see what is the problem. Yeah. Do nothing. This version will not be backed out because the system has decided that it is not safe to do so. बोलो सारी फाइल्स हो जाएंगी लेकिन ये वाला फाइल नहीं होगा बस. I said okay, no problem. System saying do nothing, कुछ मत करो इसके बाद. No action is required from your side. Okay. Go back. And now click on the backed out. I guess we are running the same process again. Let's see. Wait for a minute. So it's starting backing out now. So you can see it deleting all the stuff which came from this particular update set. All success. हो सकता है कि बैकआउट में भी आपको प्रॉब्लम आए. That is also possible. Still backing out. Not 100% done. Everything will be removed. All the configuration which came from this one has been removed. In some time, what we do, we did not recommend to move the update set in the batch. We move the update set in a single file. The reason being, let's say in my team, you 5 are there, 5 developers. I give one story to each of you. At the end of the week, Macrina says, sorry, Atul, my story is not completed. I cannot send my changes to the test. In that case, if I close my parent update set, forcefully Macrina's updates are also get closed, which need to be reopened. Then I say, okay, let's do one thing. Let's remove your update set from my update set, remove the parent one so that your update set should not move to the next state. But some prefers that no, we should go for the batch update set only. So it depends that how your business has a plan to do these things. That what type of process they are following in this deployment perspective, it's up to them. See, it is still removing it. Too much changes, too much. Adding, dropping, removing. So these things has been done here. In the meantime, this has been done. We'll come back to my PDI. Now we know that everybody created the user in my PDI. right? You all created the users. And now you want to move that users from my instance to Praveen instance. Now might be you can say Atul, we can use the transfer map. नहीं, transfer map नहीं बनाएंगे, because if you make the transfer map again in the test instance, then two records with the same name will have a two different sysids. So we never use the transfer map in the test or the production. We always bring our data, preferably we bring our data in the dev, and from the dev via XML, we move it to the next level. So now let's say I will pick up all the records which has been created between today and last month. Last month batch शुरू है, so that's fine. Done. Sorry, it should be like this. Between last month and today. ये देखो, 157 records has been created in the last 1 month. So one or more versions are not able to backed out. Details can be found in the system log. If you want to see, you can see here if you want. Otherwise, close this. ये वाला, ठीक है, I know that is fine, no problem. So now if you refresh it, and if you search for Macrina's here, you will not find Macrina's changes because that has been backed out. This is what the update set movement which we do in our service now to bring the changes, configuration level changes from one instance to the another instance. I'm again repeating, it is a configuration changes, not the data. So don't get confused again. For the data we are discussing now, I want to bring all these records from my PDI to Praveen PDI. Right click, export, XML. XML is the best way to move the data and download. Now go to Praveen instance. User admin, user. Right click, import XML. Choose download. Yeah. And upload. Oh. So it is giving me error that unique key violation detected by the database, duplicate entry aes.creator for the username. Means we are bringing this user from my instance to this instance where this record is already exists with the same name, something like that. Because same user don't have, sorry, two users don't have a same user ID. So now you can see all your changes are here. It means Macrina user ID is also here now. It means Macrina can log in to Praveen's PDI now. This is what we use XML based import and export. Doubt, question, clarification. Tell me, guys. Good. Now we'll do a small topic, another small topic. We done a lot of work. And now I want to create a report. How many incident has been created, how many change has been created, how many records has been updated. All these things we have to be discussed. We have to get a report. In simple short, we are looking for the report. We are looking for a dashboard where I can see these things. From the Xanadu onwards, ServiceNow has removed the legacy reporting module. Now it is called as a platform analytics. Platform analytics. So now you can go here and search for the data visualization. Under this, data visualization means now we can create a report by using the latest features of ServiceNow. It is still standard reporting only. We can do something, we cannot do something in that particular part. But it is mostly on the platform analytics perspective. It takes a little time to be loaded. And now you can see update set has been changed. So everything or anything will be get captured in the local update set now. Oh. ये देखो ये था. ServiceNow give us almost 200 reports out of the box. And this is your homework. You can go and see. In the platform analytics, the good part is that it is using the performance analytics in the background. Means earlier we cannot do a lot of calculations in the standard reporting, in the legacy reporting. But now we can do a lot of things. So this is what is given by ServiceNow. We'll create our own report. Okay. It's called Welcome to the Visualization Designer. What type of report you want to create? You want to create a time series? You want to score, bar, pie, donut, heat map, pivot, or list? I want to create a pivot table. Pivot कैसे रहती है? जो ये आपका जैसे ये if I click on this, date और ये pivot table है मेरी, right? This is my pivot table. Same thing I can create in the ServiceNow as well. Pivot table, on which particular table you want to create it? I want to create on the incident table at the data source. And here you can see the tables. I want to create on the incident table. This is my table. I want to use this. Okay. Do you want to put some condition in that one? I said no. I want everything from, I want a full incident table, no condition in that. Okay. You can put this thing. Add to source. For the incident table, what is important? Sorry, for the pivot table, what is important? I have a row and I have a column. So I have to be defined that what should be shown in the row and what should be shown in the column. Because it's a pivot, not the normal one. Data metadata count. Okay. तो ग्रुप बाय दिखा रहा है वेट डेटा अपडेट अरे let me go back to the data source. Wait, let's go back. Add conditions. No, I don't want a condition. No. Apply. Why I'm not getting option for adding the fields here? Data presentation. Display setting. No. इसमें ऑप्शन भी नहीं देगा मुझे यहाँ सिलेक्ट करने का रो एंड कॉलम. Chart interaction. अरे कमाल होगी. Why it's not giving the option to this thing? देखिए मल्टी पिवट पिवट तो एक ही दी है इसने राइट. Why it's not giving me the option to create freeze header, freeze footer, table size setting, that's fine, color, that's fine, data view, drill down chart, something is there. No. Data source कहाँ गया हमारा? अच्छा ये रहा metric. Let's see. ये तो metric show कर रहा है. I don't want to show the metric. Count show कर रहा है but okay let's see. It is showing group by नहीं यार कुछ तो there is something wrong even though I'm very new in this particular section as well. That how it's work. Why it's not giving option to add the row and column? See by default it's showing like this. But I want to add row and column so that I can show that okay these many incidents has been created for this particular time period or for this particular conditions or this particular row and column perspective, that priority this and urgency this. I'm looking for that one. Format value, no formatting is required. Row show all, let me see. Show all. Okay, active. Let me change this. Let's say group by ID. Apply. It is now coming, right? Fine. So this is what we're looking for. So group by priority and the rows should be, I can say, state. Apply. So now my report is created. If you add more, I'm going to add state instead of I'm going to add the urgency as well. Apply. So now you can see state and urgency. I want to be add in the column. Impact. Apply. So now you can see this thing. I want to see only and only the data of the incident created at custom creation. Created on last 2 years. Apply. And now you can see the count has been reduced. I can give a name to my chart. Chart title. And save. It says what is the visualization name? ये तो chart का नाम आके देखो LNG. I say LNG Pathshala. Now I created this report and I want this report or this dashboard. This need to be added in the dashboard. So click on the add dashboard. You want to create a new dashboard? Yes. I am an incident manager and I have 5 people under me who are my incident agents. And I want to share this dashboard with them so that every day they can see the status of their progress. So you can put the name here. Pathshala LNG. If you want to add one more tab, this is the first tab. Add a new tab. See, you can name it LNG1. Atul, can we add pre-built reports as well? Yes, you can add, no problem. Click on the add new elements, data visualization, saved visualization, which is already built up. Click, add to dashboard. See, it is there. So if you want, you can create as many as dashboards and save. Now I want to share this dashboard with you all. I can click here and share. In the latest release of service on Yokohama, we can export as well in the PDF or in the PPT format. We can export the dashboard as well. I'll say share. I want to share with you. I can share with the user, group or role. I want to share with the group. Sorry. LNG batch. Why it's not showing? What is the group name of? You remember anybody group name? It's batch 17 or LNG batch 17. It's not showing the group name. User. हाँ ये देखो ये आगे group CSA batch 17. I want you just a viewer. You cannot modify my dashboard. But I want that Savita is the editor as well. Savita can edit, but batch cannot be edited. Batch can only view it. And then audience said, do you want to see everything together? I said, yes, everything show me here. Confirm. Now if you log into my PDI, you can see this dashboard in your self-service. Go here, dashboard, and search here. LNG Pathshala. You can see, you can make it as a favorite as well, add to bookmark. So now you can do this thing. Tab 2, tab 1. If you click here, you can open any other dashboard as well. Shared admin dashboard. You can open it. So this is what ServiceNow give out of the box dashboard to us. See, export. You can export in PowerPoint, you can export in PDF. This is something introduced just recently by ServiceNow in the Yokohama. Clear? Understand? Good doubt, question, clarification. Okay. So today homework is number 1. Move your changes from my PDI to your PDI. The reason being because I receive an email, not I, many people receive an email that my PDI may be get claimed back by ServiceNow on 7th of April. It means if they take the PDI back, everything will be over. No access will be in my PDI. So we have to be request new PDI and then we can continue the work. So better before that, move your changes from my PDI to your PDI. Take an XML backup if you want, if you wish, not compulsion if you wish. Create at least 5 or 7 different type of reports. So go and create it, open it and create new. See, dashboard or additional capability scripting and everything you want. Or I want to be add, edit, add a new element. Might be you want to be add filter, interactive filters. Add to dashboard. ये देखो ये आ गए. If you run, so if I save here, it's saying only dashboard or library. I said full library here to be save it. Okay, only to dashboard करता हूँ. Exit editing mode. So you can see here like this. So you have created some filters and you want to be applied it. Now your above data is getting changed because it has this filter as well. So we can use in this is called the interactive filters. This particular platform analytics, specifically data visualization, come with a lot of new changes. A lot of new changes is there. More you deep dive, more you dig down, more it is good for you. You can see that the details, insights. You want to see all the KPIs without tickets. You can see. Not sure why it's not working because might be data is problem or other thing. You can edit it, export. These are all the things will be there, and you can add more things. You want to add heading. See, on the form on this one, I want to show like this only. When somebody log in, I want to show this on this heading, which is not possible in the standard reporting. Welcome to this particular dashboard. This can do this for us. So multiple options are there for us to be check out on this. So please Spend little time because it's interesting. It's not boring. Reporting is not boring. Reporting is interesting. And specifically, if you're working on the management perspective, management side more, then reporting is good for you. Chaliye, no other doubt, question? We can close or stop the recording and take a quick attendance now.